Hello everyone, in this video we would have a quick walkthrough of how to discover and join activities on NextHive. The concept of activities on NextHive is very broad. An activity could be a hackathon you're participating in, it could be a capstone project, it could be any specific task that is related to a learning program you are undergoing on the platform or an external or one created by an external organization within or outside of NextHive. So for example, for the purpose of this video, we will look at this very activity here, which is the OList Marketplace performance, which is part of our ongoing program on data analysis, our 4-day data analyst challenge, right? So for the first thing is that you need to have an account, a free account on NextHive. So you can visit hives.africa. The link to the platform will be shared alongside this video and create your account. You have two options, either to create an organizational account or create an individual account. Choose the first option, that's creating an individual account. And once you are able to sign in and have your screen like this, once you're able to see this page, then you've completed your account creation. And then you can come back to the direct link to this page, which is also going to be shared alongside in the description of this video. And come and pick this activity, which is OList Marketplace, and click on that to review it. Once you have it opened, you can go through it, look at the brief, and what the project is demanding of you. Now, the next step is you can also review the required, that's the skills that you would unlock as a result of, that's the competency you'll unlock by the time you've completed this activity successfully, right? Then you can, if you look towards the right or of your screen or scroll down, if you're on mobile, then you can see this button to join activity. And joining an activity on NextHive can come in two ways depending on the rules set by the creator. For instance, it could be that you are required to participate in that particular activity as an individual or as a team, right? So we have solo or team participants. Teams on NextHive are called hives. So you can click on this button to join, and then you see this modal. So this is where you now decide whether you are joining as an individual or as a team. You can join as an individual if you think you have the relevant, maybe you've spent some time in data in this field of analysis and you might want to task yourself a bit more by completing it alone. Otherwise, if you are very new, then I recommend you join as a team of 2 to 4 participants. And for you to be able to select a team, you would need to already have created a team or have joined a team created by a member of the group. For instance, I'll close this out for now. To create a hive is very easy. Come back here, click on hives, then you see list of hives that are already out there. For the purpose of this program, create your own hive. You can click on this launch button and give it a name. Let's call it Team Impact or Data Crusher. And then, of course, this team is all about data analysis. Then you can make it public or private. I recommend you make it public so others can join without hassles. Then you can launch it. Now I have created it, and it takes me back to this place where I can enter workspace, but I don't want to enter workspace first. I want to get back to activity page so that I can continue the joining process, right? So I'm back here and then click on this, and I can see that if I click on join activity and I want to join as a team, it shows me list of teams I can join. Now the team I just created is here. That's team. Oh, sorry. It's team data crushers. I misspelled that. But I'm not able to use it and join this particular activity because this activities rule requires 2 to 4 members. And since I just created it, I'm the only one there right now. Okay, so what will happen is by the time once you create your own Hive, if you are participating in this task as a team, once you create your own Hive, then share the link in the WhatsApp group, and your colleagues will be able to join. And once you have up to 2 or 3 or 4 persons in the Hive, then you can come back here and select the particular team. But for now, I have other hives that I belong to that meet the requirement. I can choose this one. I can choose this as well, right? So let's proceed with this one. Then I can click on confirm. Now I have joined this activity on behalf of the team. But then I would also have to put my own self there. That means I would have to enlist. So joining a task or an activity on behalf of a team is a different thing from participating in that task that as a part of the members of the team undertaking it, right? So I will now click on opt-in to team. Now, if I come back to this place, if I come back to Hives and go to the Hive that I used to join it, which is Agentic Africa, I would enter the Hive, enter the workspace, and with that, if I come to this tab here, to the left rather, I can see the activity I just joined, right? So it means anybody who is a member of this Hive within this workspace will be able to see this activity. And once within this place, you are able to chat and discuss amongst yourselves and even delegate tasks, right? Now, once it's time to submit this activity, click on submit work, and it takes you back to your personal portal. So this is where you will now be able to see each of the requirements side by side with the place where you can provide the exact required file. For example, in this very task, there are a list of requirements here. This one here is a text report. That means you can type in the answer directly, or you can copy and paste it from whichever document you have prepared it in, right? This second one requires you to upload a file. You can just click on that and upload the PBIX file that was required, or whichever file that was required. Select it, right, and upload. Then this other one is on another open field for you to text. So the first thing you do is to read through the description here, right? Read through the description. And when you come back here, you will see those KSBs that you will unlock as a process of completing this activity, right? And once you've supplied all those required information, this button will be able to you'll be able to submit. And this field is where you confirm each participant, those in your Hive. For example, there are 4 of us in this Hive. Did all 4 of us participate, contribute equally? Or if just one person did 50% of the work, you can assign that person 50% and distribute the other ones among the other members of the team. And then you'll be able to submit your activity, right? So it's a simple process you can complete, and your submission will be pending review. So once it's reviewed, eventually these are part of the things that would enrich your portfolio within the platform. So thank you. If you have any concerns, you can raise it in the group and it will be addressed. Thanks.